In this video we're going to have a look at how we can construct an SAS triangle using our ruler and a protractor. Okay. What do we mean by SAS triangle? So this is a triangle where we know two of the sides and an angle, and importantly the angle sits between the two sides where we know the length. Okay, we call that angle the included angle. It's sitting between the two sides that we know, so we have a side, angle, side, SAS. If the angle is one of these other two up here, it's not sitting between the two sides that we know the length of, then we're not going to be able to construct our triangle. So it's really important that that angle sits between the two, so you have a side, angle, side, SAS triangle. The example we're going to look at is this one here. We've got a base of 8 centimetres, we've got an angle of 40 degrees, and we've got a second length of 7 centimetres. I'm going to start off with my base. I'm going to make sure I'm giving myself enough space to draw the triangle, so I'm going to draw that quite near the bottom of the paper. I'm going to draw a line that is 8 centimetres long. Okay, I can mark that on, 8 centimetres. I'm going to call those two ends A and B, just so I can refer to them later. Okay, I'm then going to take my protractor and I'm going to measure an angle of 40 degrees. I'm going to make sure that my crosshairs here are sitting on my point A, and the base of my protractor is sitting on top of my line AB. Okay, and then I'm going to measure an angle of 40 degrees. Remember, I'm going to always start with my scale that starts at 0, so I'm looking in this case at the inner scale. I'm starting at 0 and moving round to the 40 degrees. Put a mark on the paper, and then I'm going to connect and draw a line that connects the point A with the point I've just drawn. And I know that the third point of my triangle must sit somewhere along that line. Okay, I'm then going to take my ruler and I'm going to measure 7 centimetres. 7 centimetres is there. So I connect that point up with point B. I've now drawn my triangle ABC. I've got base length of 8 centimetres over here. I've got an angle of 40 degrees, and my second side is 7 centimetres long, and I've accurately drawn my SAS triangle. For those of you who did not have their protractors with them and are using their beautifully produced set squares, you want the 40-50 degree set square, we could use this instead to calculate our angle. We put the base of the set square along our line AB. We can, in the same way with our protractor, we can mark our point on, draw our straight line, and then mark on the third side. Okay.